Wow. Look at you, Steve. Did you see
I
that?
told you, he pulls himself right up.
Wants that toy.
Hey, Dill. Hey, Dill. What you got?
He's strong. He's strong.
He's a big boy.
Huh?
He's a big boy. You like that?
Boy, how he's holding me tight.
Yeah.
I can't believe this. I want him to fall and I don't want him to hurt himself.